This is the GPS device Garmin eTrex 10. To the right of the device, we have the power key and the light key. On the top side, we have the back key. To the left of the device, we have the menu key and the up and down arrows for navigation. This is the multifunction key which helps in up and down navigation as well as selection of the option. In order to switch on the device, we need to hold the power key for a long time in order to switch on the device. We need to stand in a location where we are not under any kind of a roof or under any tree or not inside a building. We need to stand in an open area to receive the signals of the satellite on the device. First, to geotag a location, we need to set the position format of the device. For this, we need to go to the setup option and select it. Within the setup option, we need to go to the position format option. Select this option. In general, the devices are usually set up in the degree minute second format. This has to be changed. In order to change this to decimal degree format, we need to select this option and then go on to the decimal degree format. The decimal degree format is HDD. 5 times D degree. This has to be selected. We need to ensure that the map datum and the map spheroid options are in WGS84 option. In case WGS84 option is not shown, it has to be changed to WGS84 and we need to go back to the main menu in order to geotag the location. For that, we need to press the back key twice. We come to the main menu. In order to geotag the location, we need to go to the satellite option. We need to select the satellite option. This screen will appear. We will be able to notice the location of the satellites on the top right. We will be able to notice the signals and strengths of the various satellites towards the bottom, and towards the top left we will be able to notice the latitude and longitude. At present, this device is able to take more than 5 satellite signals. However, sometimes we may not be able to observe any kind of satellite signals. In such a situation, we need to stand in the location for a minimum of 5 minutes for the device to receive the signals of the satellite. In case even after 5 minutes we are not receiving the signals, we need to switch off and restart the device by using the power key. We need to ensure that a minimum of 5 satellite signals are noticed on the bottom screen. Only then it ensures the accuracy of the location that is received by this device. Once this is noticed, that is, we are able to notice more than 5 satellite signals and we are able to notice the latitude and longitude in the decimal degree format, we need to take a picture of this particular screen, a photo of this screen with your mobile device and upload that photo onto the NAPSIM application.